Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. It is currently 4 a.m. on the 21st of March. You join us here at Liverpool Airport. John Lennon. We're just going round now, checking our flight because we are going to the 8th. No, we are going to the happiest country in the world for the 8th time. Let's go. Here we are, yellow submarine. John Lennon. Let's go, get checked in. Right, we've just checked in through Ryanair there. Now we're heading up to security. They have said security is very busy, so we're going to go straight up now. Right, all through security, and our flight is right there. Let's go. Right, quick look in the duty free, these swatches. See if we've got the Moon Watch limited edition. Right, let's just stop and get ham at Burger King. How good is that? It tells you on all places how long it takes for the food. That's really good.
Please contact the control room.
Right, we're on our way through
Run
security.
away from misery to happiness to me.
Let's go. Here we go. Outside. Let's go. Right, we're on board now. We're sitting in seats 4. Comfy pan.
And look, free middle seat.
Free middle seat.
Thanks, Ryanair.
Just waiting for boarding complete. We've arrived, landed, look at this. Right, I'll go pick the hire car up now. Ooh, look outside. Right, we've arrived. What a glorious day. We've just picked our rental car up. This little Mitsubishi Colt. Here it is. This trusty little bad boy. Just outside the airport. That was honestly a 10 out of 10 flight. It was smooth, quick, really nice. Let's get in the car, put the cases in, go down and check straight into our accommodation, so we'll go and do that then. I'm so hungry, I'm going to get something to eat now. Come and join us. Right, we've pulled up at our accommodation, which is like 3 minutes from the airport. We're just walking in. I'm going to show you it the first time as well. Look at this. Here we are. This is us, A6. I'm just going to get the little key out now. Just listen to this. Super quiet Finland. Right. Here we go. So, this is our accommodation for 3 days. I'll show you around. We've got washing machine, little kitchenette thing here. Full-size wardrobe, guest bedroom, kitchen, Kitchen here. Beautiful. Little living room. I'll show you the bathroom and the sauna in a second. We've got our own deck here. And the people next door have built a little snowman. Sledges, like free ski sledges over there, so we can go tobogganing. Nice TV. This is our bedroom here. Touching is prohibited. Right, now let's have a look in the bathroom. Look at that table, it's lovely. That's where I'm going to edit these first few videos. And this is our decking. There's a little snowman and the igloo that we've built. Beautiful little place. Over the moon with this. So this is where we're staying for the first 3 nights. Then we'd go to Levi. We've got a ski resort there. And then we're back at the Van Tunky Wilderness Resort after, which is amazing. I can't wait to show you that place again. Here the fighter jets are around, because that airport is shared with the Finnish military, so they launch their fighter jets from there. They're always doing training exercises, which is good. Yeah, so we're back in Finland. Happiest country on earth. 8th year in a row. Right, I'm going to get everything set up charging, and then we're going out, get a Hesburger, because I am so hungry. That's how close we are to the airport. That could have been the plane we were on that just took off heading back.
You see it?
Yeah. I'll check where that's going right now. Right, we've just arrived at K City Market, get some lunch, and then I'll show you around the shops. Let's go! Right, Hesburger now. Just ordered our food. Gonna sit down, wirelessly charge my phone, and then go inside the supermarket. Okay, now we'll have a look in K City Market. Show you what kind of things the Finns are buying. These things are amazing where you recycle all your bottles. She's got about 50 quid in that trolley. Right, we'll go in now. Look at all the cosmetics. It's like an American store, but in Lapland. Right, I'll show you what we find. Pokemon.
Look at the little Lego sunflowers. They're cute. Oh, same with like them, the little cherry blossoms.
Right. No point looking at the magazines because they're all in Finnish. Oh my god, they look amazing. What are they? How long until we see our first movement product? Sorry. Oh, that's lovely. How long do we see our first movement product?
I've just squired one over
there's
there.
one. Right, just having a quick look at the Finnish energy drinks. What do they have? This battery is beautiful. Pearberry, peach raspberry, mango lime, exotic fruit, strawberry lime. I think I might get a battery. But I've got so many choices. We also have the Rio Punch.
Is this what you got in Florida in Epcot? In
Jaffa?
In the
Jaffa
Japan
Energy?
world?
Oh yeah, it is. Jaffa Energy Farm?
Hey?
Jaffa Energy drink? Dragon fruit, extra caffeine, sour apple. Look at all these choices. What will I choose? Celsius. I've never had this Celsius, it's the American one. Natural energy. And then they've got the Polish ones. Who remembers that? The Ultra River. That was amazing. That was one of the best flavours. I've decided on this one. Battery Whirl. Blue raspberry flavour. I'm going to try one of these. Right, you join us a little while later. We're just out exploring now. But check this guy about a full Sendy snowmobile. Look. Go on. This is all a river. Hey! Another wonder Finland's the happiest nation. They're just cruising around on snowmobiles. These guys fishing, look. This guy's just fishing over here. And this is where we are. We've literally just pulled over the side of the road. And we're just exploring around. Beautiful. Right, the temperature is dipping like you wouldn't believe now. We've just pulled up at Santa Claus village here, and it's starting to get dark, so what we can do is, we're both wrecked, we're so tired. We're going to have a little look around Santa Claus village, wait for it to get dark, and then it might be the Northern Lights tonight, might not, but god damn it, it's cold. So here we are, Santa Claus village. It's been absolutely beautiful weather day. Now we just need the lights tonight. How you cool, pal?
Oh my god, I'm actually shocked at how freezing it is.
The temperature has absolutely dipped. It's like -6 or something right now. This guy's got his drone up. Let's go.
Dad, look what it says right there.
Look, when it tells you no drone, but you think, nah, that's not me though. Also when it says no parking, but you just say, nah. Right, we're just walking into the Arctic Circle right now. You excited, pal? It's bloody freezing. The perma snowman is there. Santa is here. Little look at the different places. Right, normally we'd go and have a look at the reindeer and have a little walk around, but nah, it's too cold, man. It's way too cold. We're just hoping we get the lights. This helicopter just took off. Jesus Christ, mate, it's freezing. Right, we just got back. We're gonna have a little sandwich, chill out for a little, wait for it to get dark. I mean, we're both absolutely flagging. Solo on a kid's ride. Let's go. Yeah, it's getting a bit scary, no?